Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are continuing on in my home, decorating it for Christmas, working in my dining room. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. So here are some of the items that I'll be decorating and using in my dining room. We are decorating in the angel theme, and we're gonna start right here at the table. I'm using these beautiful placemats that I recently hauled from Shein. This table will be set for 6. Next, adding chargers, and I had these already, but they can be ordered through Amazon. Anything that I can link, I will link it in my description box below. This beautiful gold and silver dinnerware I've had for a couple of years now, and I love pulling it out of storage for the holidays. This came from Home Goods. If you've been following me, you know I decorated my living room and my entryway in black, white, and gold, and I have to transfer those colors to my dining room because they're all open. So I'm adding a pop of black with these napkins that my mother-in-law blessed me with. And look at these angel wing napkin rings that I recently purchased from Temu. Next, we're adding gold flatware that I picked up from World Market. Let's add some drinkware, like these beautiful black goblets that I purchased a couple of years ago from Z Gallery. Now for the centerpiece, this mirror tray seems to be a staple on my dining room table. I absolutely love it here. And I'm going to keep things simple here all around this dining room table. I'm adding this beautiful ginger jar from Temu. The candle holders and the candles that you will see, they came from Hobby Lobby. Next, I'm working on my buffet, keeping things simple here as well by adding 2 swags that I've had for several years. I can guarantee you these are about 10 years old. I'm going to add something decorative here by adding an easel and a beautiful piece of frame art. Peace on earth, goodwill to all. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby several years ago and just changed the frame to this mirrored frame. On this side, I'm using these candle holders that I've had for many, many years. And I'm going to add to these candle holders these beautiful angels that I found thrifting several years ago at my local SPCA thrift store. On the sticker, it has $8, but I did not pay that. I shopped that store when the entire store is 50% off, so I paid $4 each for both angels. I have 2, and these angels are found on Amazon right now, and as a set, they run about $90. So yes, I'll take my $8 versus $90. And I love to add a gold wreath or any type of wreath to this mirror because this is a focal wall in this space. The last area in my dining room is this corner, and I'm adding a piece of wall art that I picked up this year at Ross, and it fits perfectly here. And since I'm doing the angel theme in this space, I had to bring out my angel mannequin tree and deck her out in the same colors, the black, white, and gold. I've also adorned her with some of my mom's angels that she gave me before she passed away. So right now, let me show you around my dining room for Christmas 2024.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Stay tuned because I have a few more areas in my home to share with you, decorating my home for the holidays. Have you started decorating for Christmas yet? Let me know down in the comments below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell, that way you will be notified of all uploads here on Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of our family here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.